Ever pondered how big data might enrich your music listening experience? Let's dive into a captivating case study that illustrates the power of data analytics in enhancing the functionality of a music application. The subject of our case study is a top-tier entertainment tech firm, a global player in the entertainment industry, specializing in apps and advertisements. Their project objective was to use big data from their Android application, the RFi Music Player, to improve its functionality and user experience. The problem was twofold. First, they needed to process and analyze massive amounts of data from their app. Secondly, they sought to identify key features that could be enhanced within the application, particularly concerning ads and user interaction. Their solution was to utilize Google's BigQuery and Dataproc platforms. BigQuery enabled analytics on Firebase, predictions, ads, and Google Analytics-related data, while Dataproc allowed for further processing and analysis. The project also involved tracking individual user behavior within the app, monitoring ad interaction, and identifying reasons why users might abandon the application. To accomplish this, the team used a SQL-like language for the big queries, Apache Spark and Anaconda for coding on data from the Google Cloud Platform, and Excel for data verification. The final data was stored on the Google Cloud Platform. The deliverables were compelling. They provided insightful analytics on the data present in the database using BigQuery and Dataproc, as well as valuable suggestions for improving the app. Now let's recap the key points. The entertainment tech firm faced a challenge of processing and analyzing big data from their music app. They employed Google's BigQuery and Dataproc platforms to meet this challenge. The team also used a range of tools, including a SQL-like language, Apache Spark, Anaconda, Excel, and the Google Cloud Platform. The result was a wealth of insightful analytics and valuable suggestions for app improvement. This case study clearly demonstrates the transformative power of big data analytics in the music app industry. It offers a blueprint for how other firms can harness the power of big data to enhance their apps, enrich user experience, and ultimately hit the right note with their audience.